Guys, in this video I'm going to quickly walk you through that how to deactivate your Instagram account temporarily. So first you have to click on the Play Store app on your phone. You have to open it up, then you have to check that you have the updated Instagram version on your phone. If you don't have your updated Instagram version on your phone, please make sure it's updated. Okay, so after that you have to open the Instagram app, then you have to go to on your profile. Then what you need to do is click on the three dot bar icon right here. Then I need you to do to click on the settings and privacy option. Okay, then after that you have to scroll and click on the account center right here. Please make sure you like this video and subscribe this channel. After that you have to find out the personal details. Okay, you have to click on personal details. Then you can see here is an option account ownership and control. You have to click on this. After that you have to click on deactivation and deletion. Then you have to choose your account. Then you have to click on the next option right here, first option. You have to continue. Then you have to type your password and your account will be deactivated temporarily.